Would you freeze your body after you die and wake up in the future many years later? Some people are paying thousands of dollars to freeze their body after death in facilities run by different organizations. But how does it work? Cryonics is a practice through which human and animal bodies can be preserved at very low temperatures for decades immediately after their death, in the hopes that scientists in the future will develop a way to revive them. To achieve this, the process is carefully carried out in several steps. After a person is declared legally dead, the cryonics process can begin. The body is given blood thinners to prevent clotting, and antacids are administered to counter stomach acids. Then, the goal is to remove as much heat from the body as possible in order to preserve it. An automatic CPR device is attached to the dead body to keep blood flowing. The body is then placed in an ice bath to cool down. After cooling, the body undergoes a verification process where it is infused with an anti-freeze solution to prevent ice crystal formation in cells, a technique inspired by how some animals hibernate in cold temperatures. The next step involves placing the body in a large box that gradually lowers the temperature from the initial ice water temperature to the temperature of liquid nitrogen, which is minus 196 degrees Celsius. By preserving the body at such a low temperature, everything is locked in a steady state. Finally, once the cryopreservation process is complete, the frozen body is placed in a storage chamber and stored upside down. Additional liquid nitrogen is periodically added to the chamber to ensure that it remains filled at all times. The sooner the process begins, the better the chances of preserving the body. There is no guarantee that a person will wake up in the future. Revival of cryonically preserved bodies would require repairing extensive tissue damage, reversing the cause of death, and regeneration of tissues. But such revival technology is currently speculative and non-existent. There are also ethical and legal issues that could be faced when using such technology.